Welcome back to another video where we are going to continue building the Japanese learning app, immersion Japanese learning app. Right now we are on the website extension part of the app, and it's going to help us record the audio of the movies and TV shows as we watch them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what we've been building. Yesterday, we built some features, but we haven't tested them yet. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to test these features and ensure that they work. Once that happens, we're going to move on to actually building more features into the extension. Now, I used Language Reactor, and there are some features that were in Language Reactor that are not in this extension we are building. So I'm going to build in some of those features into this extension, some of those Language Reactor features into this extension. And, come with me along this journey. I am delighted to have you. Okay, I am going to begin by sharing my screen, the Cloud Code screen, right here. And then let's see what actually, I'm really happy. You know why? Because I have been more consistent with this live stream. It's like before it was difficult to be consistent. It's like sometimes I forget that I have the live stream even. But now I wake up and one of the first things I think about is let's get to the live stream. So right now it's like 8:22. I woke up like half an hour ago and I'm here. So it's like it's good, right? It's now one of my big priorities immediately I wake up, which yeah, I'm excited about. Consistency is one of the things that are difficult for me, but once I get into the groove, you know, it's not as difficult. By the way, how do you deal with consistency? Are you just naturally consistent, or do you have to keep pushing yourself to be consistent? For me, I'm kind of in the middle where it's difficult for me in the beginning, but once I get started, my brain gets used to the habit fast, yeah. And once it gets used to the habit, I don't have to push myself as hard anymore. Let's here check. Okay, let's keep going. Here we have shape. Wait, where is this? Appears. One card. Yeah, you choose our legacy. Okay. So one thing that I need to do is that when I realized that when I play the show from the other tab, the audio actually seeps into the live stream. Yesterday I tried it, but they did not block my video. So I think it's fine, but I won't abuse it. I would only use it so that I maintain engagement with you guys. Okay, so let's restart this, and I'm going to probably mute the Netflix unless I need to actually share something. Okay, so let's see. So now I'm playing. Okay. So I'm gonna mute. Wait. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna refresh the screen, and then I'm going to go to my files and check. Ryan. Okay, it's here. Episode 9. Yes, it's here. Wait, can you hear it? Let's see. Open with our media video player. Wait. Why is it 20 minutes? me. Wait, maybe. Wait. I get it. I get it. I get it. When was this opened? I'm sorry if you can't see my screen. I probably should share what I'm doing, but it's just a little side side quest. 2005. 2005. So it's the same. Okay. Let me ask Claude something though. What happens when I start playing an episode and then refresh the browser page? So yeah, after yesterday, I did a couple new edits, but it's just basically fixes, like minor fixes. Wait, why is Cloud Code now showing the message on the right hand side? I thought it's like on the. Oh, interesting. I thought it was to be on the side. I just noticed that right now. Okay. I guess they are being more similar to Codex now, but I don't like that. Like I prefer when it was on the right. Also, because they gave it color, so it was like blue. It was easy to see. Yeah. So, regardless, I need you to tell me what to do. The behavior rewatching appends never overrides. Both takes are kept. Okay. I need to. So wait, let me see. I'm gonna watch a different episode actually, and then I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. So let's go back. I'm on Netflix still, but now I'm going to watch a different show. I'm gonna watch. Wait, can you hear this? Probably, yeah. Yeah, you probably can hear. So let's see. Let's mute for 1 second. So the reason why I muted was because I was listening to this show and I don't want my video to be blocked. So please understand. However, I realized one thing. It does not work for other episodes. It's like it only works for the previous one. Wait, let me see. Oh, friend to fetch. Okay. So it's not just that. It's every episode. It says field fish. So now let me go back. Now let's see. Now when I try to capture, it tells me field to fetch. I'd say investigate. So let me see what this is. Here's the chain. Refreshing the tab ends the capture audio track. That's existing trains dependent audio chunks to the daemon. This is reliable because it repeatedly from the extension of screen document. Then to keep going after refresh the page reloads, subtitles text, or to start, but top culture needs a user gesture and you to click the service tab, click start on turn on. The tab begins a new session for the same episode. It finish appends. Okay. That's a good behavior. I like it. Um, okay, each case can hard kill first person equipment refresh. May not fire, some finish, but there are segments and this capture zones that work indirectly in case of ending. Okay, good. If refresh and play, so nothing is less, there's no playback session zero, but position speed does not persist. You are, what is this? Yeah, please add this. Okay. So let's see. Okay. As it's working, what do we talk about today? Yeah, gym, right? So if you, as I've mentioned the last time, I went to the gym with Akash, and that helped me push myself against my limit because Akash works out for very long and I work out for short. But working out with Akash, I realized that I could also work out for long. I have just been lying to myself that, at 1 hour I'm tired, but that's not true. However, unfortunately, I cannot go to work out with Akash anymore. And the reason is because gym membership. So I thought I could get a 3 days trial, and then after a 3 days trial, I would get a membership. But the price is so high. I thought the price was reasonable, but turns out it's not. So two things happened. The first one is that I was unable to even get my 3 days trial. So I only went for day one. When I went on day two, they looked at my ID and said, "This is an out of state ID, so we can't let you use the 3 day pass." And I was like, okay, what are my options? And they're like, well, we need an in-state ID or you need to do the membership. And I'm like, okay, talk me through the membership. How much does it cost? And then they're like, oh, since you're here for the short term, you pay $80 a month. And I'm like, $80 a month? That's crazy. I don't have that kind of money. I thought it was going to be like $20, $30 per month. But it turns out it was 80 per month. And I was like, that's too much. And then they were like, okay. I asked, do you have any discounts? They were like, oh, unfortunately, we don't. And then, well, I was like, okay, but I'm already here today. So what do I do? Because I'm already there with Akash. We drove all the way there. I can't just wait 3 hours while Akash works out. And they're like, oh, there's a 1 day pass where you can work out 1 day. You pay $15. I'm like, okay, I'll do that because I don't want to wait around for 3 hours. But yeah, I had to just pay the 15, do the day pass, go work out with Akash, train shoulders, Ow. Actually, there's a story of me and Akash doing shoulder training where this is this story is also to show that training with Akash actually pushes me to my limit and pushes me beyond my limit. So here it goes. We were doing in the back of the gym. We were doing what is this called? Oh, yo. Ah, this is Umar ya ciki. Oh, it's a bit weird because you can hear me, but I can't hear you. I can only chat with you. Where is my light gone? Off. I'll turn off the other light. Anyway, uh, okay. Yes, great. How have you been? It's been a while. Mm, you can respond to my questions in the chat. Like I said, it's a bit weird, but think about this. For the entire duration of humanity, we've been talking through speech. Like you talk and the other person replies with voice. And then with social media now, we chat. You text and the other person texts back. But on a live stream, it's very weird because one person talks, but the other person types, which is like very, yeah, like I said, weird. But I guess we have to deal with it like that. Uh, Congrats, you are the first person to watch my live stream live. Thank you. Uh, Thank you for showing up to my live stream. Live stream. Mm. What are we doing here today? Okay. What we are doing here today is we are building an app to learn Japanese. Well, I am building an app to learn Japanese, but I decided to just go on a live stream to build it on the live stream and just talk to the live stream, even though no one's here. But since you're here now, I'm not lonely anymore. Thank you. Uh, so let's see. Let me show you what we are building. Unfortunately, it's going to be difficult to actually show this because I'm working on Netflix. And if I share my live stream, if I share Netflix on my live stream, this video is going to be blocked for copyright. So let's see how this should work. Okay, I will. It's difficult, but easy. But if I say put it in simple terms, what we are building is, imagine if you are watching a movie or a series on Netflix and you want to use that to learn a language. Then, as you watch it, you probably watch it with subtitles and they say uh, they talk and then you watch the subtitles, right? In order for you to actually remember the words that they're saying, you usually have to listen to it again and again and again, multiple times. However, like watching something on Netflix requires you to have the video on, maybe sit on your laptop and actively watch, right? But audio is different. Audio you can listen to while you're taking a walk, you can listen to while you're cooking, you can listen to anytime. You can listen to in your sleep and others. So what we're doing here is we are converting a Netflix show to audio. How does it work? As you watch the TV show, you automatically record the sound as you go, and then it gets saved to your computer, and then you can do whatever you want to do with it because it's a MP3 file. So that's what we're building. We've already built majority of the features. Let's see. Then the previous one we just built right now, the previous prompt was capture. Oh yeah, I was trying to capture, but it told me it said capture failed to fetch. So I was investigating that, and then oh, yes, I'm on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn is let me search my LinkedIn. I feel like this light is making my face blurry. Wait, can I do this? Oh, okay. Okay. I feel like this is a good angle. Also, we avoid the light. My LinkedIn is, I'll just put my LinkedIn in the chat. Or you can just search Ishaq Ibrahim on LinkedIn. Ishaq Ibrahim, probably Minerva University. That should pop up, right? Let's see. Let me Google my name actually. Ishaq Ibrahim, Minerva University. Yeah, actually, that's perfect. If you Google Ishaq Ibrahim Minerva University, you'll see me. You'll see my LinkedIn page on the first, as the first option on Google. I hope so. I did it right now. Wait, let me share that screen so you see what I'm saying. So see, and then this is me. Wait, let me see. I'm not logged into. Oh wait, if it signs me in with this account, then I'm probably just logged in. Oh yeah, this is me. This is me. Wait, yeah, this is me. But that out of the way, let's come back to actually. Let's be serious. Oh, I like the background, the garden over there. Nice. Maybe I should make this the permanent angle. No, it wouldn't work because sometimes the sun is out and that is too bright. The only reason it's good today is because it's a bit cloudy outside, about to rain, but let's proceed with actual development. Let me look at what Claude is saying. Wait, let me share the screen so we do it together. Okay, so I'm seeing that the daemon is down. Nothing is listening on port. This. Okay. The fix is to make it stay up across turns. Okay. Okay. Verified and fixed. Okay. Because the harness can leave any progress as spawn at a turn boundary, the drill is to run the daemon in your own terminal. What does that mean? Do you go to that? Okay, let's close this. Terminal V. Is it? Well, let me just copy that and paste it. But let's go back. And then let's see. Wait, no. Leave the terminal open while you watch. The one that I started should hold for now, but if you see field if chicken, terminal command is reliable. Okay, want me to set up. Yes, please set this up. It's like gonna be like OpenClaw, where the gateway just stays open. because I mean, I will use this for more than just. Oh. Okay, it works. Nice. Okay. Now, let's restart Netflix. And let's see. I will. What school did you do your exchange program? Um, that's a good question. It wasn't in any school. It was Minerva University itself. So Minerva has whatever it. We have the like branches in many different countries. We have Argentina, Japan. We have Berlin, Germany. We have we used to have Taiwan. We have Hyderabad. What was it used to have? It's like they changed the cities from now and then. But yeah, we have across all these countries, and you're not really going to a different school. It's still Minerva University. So yeah, I hope that answers the question. Okay. Elongation is called set and forget. Okay, let's see. It's working. I'm going to share a screen, but I'll turn off audio. You know what? You know what I'm doing? I'm trying to like experiment with the YouTube system to see what gets my video blocked and what doesn't. I know that having both the video and audio gets your video blocked, right? Yeah. Yesterday I had only audio but no video, and my video was not blocked. Today I'm going to experiment with video but no audio. See if my video gets blocked. So I'm going to share my screen. And then I'm going to wait, I'm going to share no audio. Yeah, I'm going to share no audio. And then I'm going to share. I hope this doesn't work. If I'm wrong, I'm going to be cooked. Actually, I don't want to risk it, okay? I do not want to risk it. So I'm going to go to a different tab. And then I'm going to this is difficult. Wait, you know what? Let's stop sharing this. I don't want to risk it. I don't know whether the audio is being captured or not. I'll probably have to listen to this stream again after today, so I know that it doesn't work. But for now, let me play this. Can you hear? Omar, can you hear the TV show playing? Wait, what am I doing? Wait, terminated. Wait, what is this? Wait. This is tough. Let's see what's going on here. Yes, a launch agent is called for set and forget. Before I write, two things matter. For it to actually work headless. Let me gather that. Okay. I think it stopped my terminal. Everything I need. Creating launch agent into plist, installed, confirmed, launch agent, styles, behavior, launch down, cheat sheet, wanting to know, it runs the debug library, so it tracks the launch, keep running until you start, so whenever you change the code, player only changes just that. That's the capture should just work from now on, including across reboot. Okay, this is great progress. Oh, you can hear. Ooh. Wait, can you hear me or the Netflix? Uh, okay, I'll just wait for your response. Let's see. I want to know. Okay, I think this is good enough to keep going. And then what I will do is I will check this. I'll check both. Oh, okay. Then I cannot share my screen on Netflix because if I do so, then I wait. Okay, let's keep experimenting. I muted myself just right now. Could you hear me the past like 10 seconds? I guess I have to wait for that response because I'm trying to see what makes the audio not record. Because I would like to, oh, wait, you could hear me? Wait, I muted myself though. Is this mute for the live stream or for me? This mute button. This is difficult to know. Share tab audio. No. Share tab audio. Okay, this is Netflix. Now we're doing one last experiment. This is Netflix. So I'm going to play this and I'm going to just go to a different tab. Let's see. Play and then go to a different tab. 樺島さんですよね。Could you
フリー
hear?
で記者をやっております工藤と。
Oh my god. I just it kind of appeared. But could you hear the Netflix? Oh my god, yes. Okay. This video might get blocked, but I don't know how to set this up to where the audio does not share. So I'm going to be as careful as possible and I'm not going to share this screen and I'm going to only experiment with this on the side. Bear with me because again, I don't want this video to be blocked. So let's see. Let's try to see if it's capturing. Oh, it's capturing. Okay, great. Now I'm going to check my files to see where the audio file is. Yes. So I'm going to let's see. So let's share that screen. So this is the screen that we're sharing. So this is the TV show, and then this is, wait, this doesn't make any sense because 2005. Let me stop this first. Stop, and then let's go back. So then this is no, this is supposed to work. No, no, it's not working. Oh, no, it's not working. Wait. Let's go back. What did it say right here? Open media video. Wait, this is crazy. Okay, I'm a bit confused what's going on here. So let's play a different show. I'm going to mute myself. I have been muted for the past 2 minutes. So I'm just trying to see if I will rewatch this part after the live stream so that I know how to go about sharing my screen and sharing my audio better. Okay. Now let's continue with this. This is actually built. Like now you can record audio from beginning to end. Is this a good place to just stop the video for today? Maybe, because we have achieved something. I've tested right now that you can record TV shows from beginning to end, no problems, no questions asked, no issues. I'm pretty proud of what we've built. It's been like 5 days since, and we've come this far, even without Fable 5. So, yeah, let's go. Tomorrow, what we're going to do is, can I share my screen? I'll see if I can share something. So I'm opening Netflix on the website that I'm going to share soon. Wait, okay. Wait, what's going on? You can't open Netflix? Why not? Oh, okay. They can't open the Netflix. But I want to show something. You see this? If I hover over the text, it doesn't show me the meaning of the text. You see? It doesn't. But let me stop sharing. And I'm going to change this to Language Reactor, and you'll see the difference. Let's see. How can I turn this on? Okay, great. So if I share the other screen, you see this? If I hover over this, it shows me at least the English meaning of that word. I want that. I want that. I want that feature. There's also other features that, if for example, there's this button right here. If I click on it, it stops after every subtitle line. I don't think that ASB player has that. Oh, actually, let me just say it now into Claude, since I'm just showing you already. So let me just. So there are some features that are available on Language Reactor, the extension, that are not available on ASB Player, or at least I don't know where they are. The first one is that when I hover over words on Language Reactor, I see the English meaning of those words. That's number one. Number two is that there's a button that when I click, it pauses after every subtitle line. I want that feature as well. Next, I can also replay a particular subtitle line. So if I click on the button and it pauses after every subtitle line, I can just click on the subtitle and copy that subtitle. Not copy, and replay the subtitle line and just re-listen to that section of the show. Let's build that feature as well here. Now, in terms of re-listening, remember our audio should only pick the first listen, and every other re-listens of the same segment should not affect our overall audio. Okay, so now I pasted this. I'm gonna stop sharing this, and then I'll share the Claude screen. And then this is the prompt, and then what else? I'll send that. I'm thinking as if there's something else that I need to. Oh yeah, the image. Yeah, I took a screenshot. Wait. Then I'm going to say research the web for other features that Language Reactor or other extensions offer, and suggest whether we should implement them here as well. Okay, perfect. Now this is the prompt, but then this is just a closeout prompt. I will end the stream right here, and then tomorrow we will continue with this prompt, and then I'm going to work on fixing the ASB player and making it more alike to what I like in terms of Language Reactor. And once we're done with that, then we game on, right? It's game on. Okay, I'm happy with our progress so far, and yeah. Omar, are you still there? Probably not, but yeah, thank you for showing up. Okay, bye.